Hello and welcome to Car Loop TV. This will be a very short how-to video to show BMW owners how to either jump start or trickle charge their cars when suffering from low or totally discharged batteries. The car we're showing here is my BMW M3. Firstly, go inside the car and release the bonnet. The process will be identical for pretty much every BMW made in the last 20 years. My car, as well as most BMW models, have the battery located in the rear boot. So BMW decided to make things easier for everyone by putting a live and a negative terminal in the engine compartment. We can see here, I'm removing the cap on the positive terminal, and just down the side of the wing is the negative terminal. Now it's just a case of placing the red positive plug on the positive terminal and the black one on the negative terminal. Because my car lives outside, I like to place the trickle charger inside the engine bay in case it rains, so we can keep it dry. Here we can see both plugs nicely secured and the charger plugged into the socket inside my house, and it's starting to charge. I also like to tuck the extension lead plug inside the engine bay and trail the wires safely in a gap so that the bonnet can be closed and the car can be secure. If you are jump starting a car by means of connecting the leads from another car to yours, you connect the positive and the negative leads in the same way. Depending on the power of your trickle charger, this will dictate how long you need to leave it on the car to gain full charge. My car does stand for weeks sometimes, and that does damage the battery long term. It's not a bad idea to leave the charger attached whenever the car's not being used, wherever possible. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. I'm off now for a car chinwag with my neighbour. In this episode, I will walk you through the steps required to install a rear spoiler. We've applied 3M tape to the underside of the spoiler, and it's a good idea especially if you're in a colder environment. In this episode of Car Loop, we will extrapolate from expert Ben from Hack Engineering every single potential fault you might be faced with your BMW M3 van or system.